The RS Mizar diamond tester. This was $129 on eBay. I saw prices ranging from about $100 to $200. If you want to buy it, link to the one I got is in the description below. So Mizar is a big name in the jewelry industry. They do scales and they do a lot of different testers that jewelers use. So let's put this to the test. This is the One Prestige Series 2, by the way. And over here on the back, they're saying that this test will work in all temperature settings, which is very important because the way these tests differentiate diamonds from moissanites from CZs is by the thermal conductivity. Diamond has the highest thermal conductivity, followed by moissanite slightly underneath, with CZ and other stimulants on the bottom. Let's unbox this and see what's inside. Very simple packaging. You just get the tester and an instruction booklet. Let me put in the battery and then we'll start testing some stuff out. I got the battery in. What I noticed right away about this diamond tester is that it's very fast to heat it up. A lot of other testers take 30 seconds, even a minute before they're ready to use. This one only took about 5-6 seconds. Also, the build quality is amazing. It's made in the United States. A lot of the other testers are made in China, and the quality definitely reflects that. The build quality is superb, very ergonomic in the hand, no rough edges, very nice weight to it. But let's get to the testing and see how it works. So this is a diamond tennis chain. It's doing what it's supposed to do. It's beeping. This is a moissanite one. And it's doing exactly the same thing. We'll get to my thoughts on that in about a second. This is the man-made diamond one. And as you can see, it's not moving. Listen, this is a good diamond tester. $120, and it cannot tell the difference between diamond and moissanite. Why? Because both of these stones have almost the same properties. Is this the best tester? Maybe not. There's other testers that cost $500, $1,000 that will differentiate between moissanite and diamonds. However, most jewelers, most lay people do not have a better tester. In my opinion, these two stones look exactly alike. There's really no visual difference between diamond and moissanite. If you guys do not let the preconceived notions that jewelry and diamond dealers have been brainwashing you for years, you will really see that moissanite is a great option. But let's get back to the video. I'm gonna rate this diamond tester a 6 out of 10. I took off a few points because it cannot differentiate moissanite from diamond. But it's still a very good tester, $120, very affordably priced, very nice build quality. This thing will definitely last you for years, and you can definitely use it to tell apart CZs from moissanite and from diamonds. Until next time, Eddie from Harlembling.